Getting hyped up for the celebration chain. Bluffton Elementary School is linking learning with fun, turning academic victories into a weekly school-wide event.
We were traveling around to each class in each grade level that had the most passed iReady reading and math lessons for the week, and we hand out an iReady chain and celebrate that class for all of their hard work.
Once a week, music fills the halls as the principal and her team make their rounds, bringing energy, cheers, and a big surprise to one lucky class in each grade level.
We want to inspire our students to work hard, but we want to celebrate and have fun while we're doing it. That's what we believe here, is that elementary school should be fun. And so we want to celebrate the big things and the little things, and it's really taken off, and the kids really look forward to it every week.
Students love wearing the Class of the Week chain and are really working hard, completing iReady lessons.
They're lessons that we learn. We read passages and answer questions, and if you pass an 80% or higher, that counts as a passed lesson.
iReady reading and iReady math, they're fun. I do sight boards and practice my tens and ones.
The school is proud of the effort students are putting into their iReady learning.
So their iReady pathways are personalized to them, exactly what they need when they need it. And when they pass a lesson, it gives them the next lesson in reading or math that's going to help them grow as a learner.
You guys are the Class of the Week!
Handing out the Class of the Week celebration chain is keeping students motivated and shows them hard work pays off and deserves to be celebrated.
I love to see the kids that are hanging out of their classrooms or coming to the windows to watch to see who gets it. It's gotten a good, healthy, competitive feel to it, like kids are wanting to beat the other classes, but they're doing it together, so it's not one against one. And it's a great way to end the week, and I know we're celebrating our kids' hard work.
The Class of the Week celebration chains are given out every Friday at Bluffton Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.